guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is a set that I did for Charlie's Nail Art Halloween collaboration, and the theme for the collab was pumpkins. So let's get on and show you what idea I come up with. So on this now I'm doing a reverse smile line, and I'm using a Lilycute LC03 for this, which is a light pink, because I didn't have the nail bed colour that I wanted, so I didn't want it pink and I didn't really want it nude. I wanted it a colour between the two, so I'm going in with this light pink Lilycute first, then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then once I take that out I'm then going to go in with my Coscelia number 19, which is the nude. I'm doing the same design on two of the nails. You'll see back there I've already done the first one off camera, so I just wanted to make sure that them nail beds were the same length and the same shape. So now that's that one in the lamp. I'm now going in with a Venalisa NH3, which is their neon orange, and I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. While that's curing in the lamp, I'm going to do exactly the same on this nail, and then I'll pop that one in the lamp to cure, and then I shall be doing the pinky the same. As you can probably see, this gel polish is really sheer. I needed to do 3 coats on them nails, so I've done the rest of them off camera to save time. Now I'm going round this nail bed with my Model 1's black gel paint, and I'm just going to outline that nail bed, but I wanted to kind of bring it down a little, kind of fade it down a little as well. But this didn't have to be too neat anyway, because I'm going to be going in with some glitter on top of this. It's just really a base colour. If there's any gaps in the glitter, you won't be able to see the gaps because the gel paint will be there to cover it. Then once I'm happy with that, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure, and then I'm going to do the exact same on this nail as well. So now they're both fully cured, I'm going to do the tips of these in that Venalisa neon orange again. And I'm going to do both of these, and then I shall pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now on this middle nail I'm applying the macart foil glue gel, and then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And I've applied that because I'm going to be adding some transfer foils. Now this transfer foil is the Halloween curse, which you can purchase from Charlie's Nail Art. I was really mad with myself here because on the other 2 nails I'd applied 2 water decals, which are also from Charlie's Nail Art, but I hadn't pressed record. I used 2 of the pumpkins from the Spooky Nights water decals. If you'd like to see how I applied decals, head over to my graveyard set, as I applied some on them. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you probably saw my post saying that I've now become a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. So yeah, if any of you do place an order from Charlie's, don't forget to use my code BGG10 and you'll save yourself 10% off your order. So now I've become a brand ambassador, I shall be uploading a few more videos. You know, where I'm taking part in the collabs, and I'll be doing a few Charlie's Nail Art haul videos. So if there's anything that you see me use in my videos and you'd like the link for them, let me know down below and I shall send you the link. But to be honest, with Charlie's, I think you're better off going over to the website and having a look yourself, because she's got so many different gorgeous nail art products to choose from, and they're super affordable as well. So I shall leave the website in the description box below, but you'll also see that I've popped the website in the top left hand corner. So if you place an order, don't forget to use my code BGG10, and that way you'll save yourself some more pennies. Right, on this nail, I'm doing some black drips coming from the cuticle. And I'm going to be doing this on all 3 orange nails. Now we're going to be applying the glitter to the free edge of these 2 nails. So I'm just going in with my Coscelia base coat. And I'm going to sprinkle this glitter onto the orange part of the nail. Now this glitter is also from Charlie's Nail Art. It's the fine matte neon orange glitter. Really pretty glitter. I love it. It's so bright. It's actually brighter off camera than what it's showing there. It's really, really bright. Lovely glitter. And I like really fine glitter anyway. I find it so much easier to work with. So I'm now going to apply some base coat just around that black area, and I'm going to do that with my detailer brush. I mean, I did apply some base coat to that when I first started applying the base coat, but it probably wiped a bit off as I was applying that neon glitter. So now, just so I've got a bit more control, I'm going to be applying that black glitter around that smile line with a detailer brush. And I want this black glitter to blend very, very slightly into that orange glitter. Then once I've got that all in place, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I mean, the base coat normally cures in 30, but I just wanted to make sure that it cured properly through that glitter, so I've double cured it. So I've popped it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to do the exact same again on this nail. Then I should pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm using, this is quite a hard brush, and I'm just removing some of the excess glitter. And now I'm using my Coscelia top coat. I use this top coat when I'm applying it on top of glitter, because I don't want to ruin my good top coat. And I'm just going to go in with a coat of this, and then I shall cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then what I did off camera, I buffed the nail because it was quite bumpy. So I buffed the nail off camera. And then I'm going to go in with my Gel Lab non-wipe top coat. And I'm going to top coat all 5 nails with that. Right, we're coming to the end of the video now, guys. Like I said earlier, this is a collab for Charlie's Nail Art. So I shall leave the link to their Facebook and Instagram in the description box below as well. So if you want, you can go and check everyone else's designs out. I'll also leave the link in there for their website, like I said earlier. New products are being added to the website most days, you know, with Christmas coming up and things. So yeah, head over there and grab yourself some real bargains. Right guys, I really hope you like this set. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would. Also, leave me a comment down below. I'd love that. I always reply to my comments. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.